Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix Apple Watch extremely slow. So, if your Apple Watch is slow while you are trying to navigate through the Apple Watch, instead of the Apple Watch to be responding to each of your touches at the speed of light, and then you discover that it is too slow for your liking, then here's a video for you. So, in this video, I'll show you how to fix slow Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you discover that your Apple Watch is too slow or extremely slow is you want to check all open applications. So to do this, just go ahead, press the digit crown twice as fast as possible. Then you should see all opened apps. So this could contribute to your slow Apple Watch. So go ahead, swipe left, and then delete all your open tabs like this. So that's the first thing you want to do if you discover that your Apple Watch is extremely slow. So go ahead and close all open tabs. Once you close all open tabs, this is going to make sure that your Apple Watch speed is increased. Then, recently used application appear here. Then we no longer have any apps on the recently used page. Then you cannot go ahead and open any application you want to use again. So that's the first thing you want to do. The second possible reason why your Apple Watch is extremely slow is because the operating system is outdated. So go ahead, connect your Apple Watch and your iPhone together, press the icon on your Apple Watch, click on Settings, scroll down, click on General, click on Software Update, then make sure you check for available software update for your Apple Watch. And if there is an update available, you'll be prompted to download and install the update on your Apple Watch. As you can see, there is an update available for my Apple Watch Series 9. So this could be the possible reason why my Apple Watch is slow. So if you are running an outdated operating system on your Apple Watch, this could contribute to the slow services you experience on the Apple Watch. So make sure your Apple Watch operating system is up to date. And then another thing you want to check on your Apple Watch as to why the Apple Watch is slow is if you have unnecessary application installed on your Apple Watch. So check out for unnecessary application you have installed on your Apple Watch and make sure you remove them. So if the application is of no use to you, just go ahead and remove the application. To remove an application, you could use your iPhone or also use the Apple Watch itself. Now go ahead and drop your Apple Watch and then grab your iPhone. On the iPhone, scroll through and locate the Watch app, open it. Now, once open the Watch app, scroll down and then locate any application you do not want here or you do not necessarily need here. So if there is an application here that you don't want to keep on your Apple Watch, just go ahead, click on the name of the application. Then where you say show app on Apple Watch, disable it. And then once you disable that, this application is going to be removed from your Apple Watch. And if you go back to the Apple Watch and then you check your app menu, you discover that the application has been removed. So that is another thing you want to do when your Apple Watch is lagging or it is running really slow. So go ahead, uninstall unwanted application on the application. And lastly, you want to go ahead, restart your Apple Watch. Simply, since there is no restart button on Apple Watch, all you need to do is press and hold the control center button. And then once you feel the haptics, locate the power button at the top right, click on it. Now the next you want to do is you want to slide to power off. Once you slide to power off your Apple Watch, then after a couple of seconds, come back again and then turn on your Apple Watch. At this point, your Apple Watch should be running smoothly. So that is basically what you need to do when your Apple Watch is running too slow or is extremely too slow. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.